Alright, what is going on, boys? We got a market recap today for Monday, or Tuesday, my bad. Tuesday, June 17th. I did not take a trade today, and putting out this video a little later on in the day because I was debating on whether or not to even make a video because I didn't take a trade. But I think what I'm going to do is I have a Discord server that I've had for a while. I think I'm going to open it up and put it in the description. I haven't decided yet, so that we can still chat about trading and build a little community, and I don't have to be making a video every single day. Like if I don't take a trade on a day like today, I'll also be posting my bias and everything in that Discord as well. Completely free. So let me know what y'all think about that, because I didn't even want to really make a video today because I didn't take a trade. But we can go over what I saw in the market coming into the morning. We had these big 4-hour bullish imbalances that I wanted to see get respected and hold, because yesterday we broke structure. We have this 4-hour market structure shift on both of these, on both ES and NQ, and then we had this big 4-hour imbalance and this 4-hour imbalance here on ES. So going into the 15-minute chart, we were still holding this 4-hour imbalance when the market opened. Market opened on this dashed line right here. So we had this 15-minute right here that we were holding, and if we just go full screen NQ, so I was bullish today, and I was looking to take an internal trade to the market structure shift high to potentially start the 4-hour buy model to the upside, or out of this 4-hour gap. It would have been a 15-minute market maker buy model to see something like this. So this market structure shift swing high, this internal swing high, was my internal draw on liquidity, and we were also reacting out of this 15-minute imbalance. So zooming into the 1-minute chart, and this was the first candle of market open. You can see that we took that internal liquidity. If I can just go back over here, market replay, boom, pre-market, we come back down and rebalance to this 15-minute, and then this would be our 15-minute buy side liquidity, externally targeting this swing high up here, which would cause the market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame. So then I was looking to go long here. We broke structure pre-market, and we actually had a 1-minute fair value gap pre-market, and if we had gotten this price action after the market opened, then I would have entered, like, honestly. But I'm just simply not entering pre-market because this first candle, like, we could have easily, this first candle could have opened and just come back down and re-swept this liquidity down here, and then we could have got the move that we wanted. Like, it's not smart, at least from my experience, to just slap a trade on like the first candle market open, because it's so volatile. And then you can see this internal model ended up playing out, and we took the internal high. So after that happens, I'm pretty hands off. I don't really want to go long up here targeting, like, yes, the external target is still intact for me, but we're already so high up in the range, and we've already taken this liquidity. And then we can see that we actually swept it originally, came back down, remanipulated the low. And so after we actually remanipulate the low right here within this 15-minute imbalance, I would have been fine to go long again, but there was not a clean market structure shift. And then we come up and take this internal high. It just wasn't the cleanest stuff, and we eventually did come up and take this market structure shift level, that swing high that I wanted to see get taken. So my bias was correct. What I wanted to see was correct. It just didn't play out the way that I needed it to in order to take a good valid trade. And then we can see the SMT that we put in. ES made a higher low right here, and then you can see, like, we never even break. By the time we break structure above the swing high, we've already taken the internal liquidity, right? So I don't really want to go long within this 1-minute imbalance. We've already taken the internal high, right? So it just wasn't super clean stuff, and then it wasn't the best price action. Like, after we took this, we just, look at this, we just chopped and chopped. It was pretty bad price action after that original move up, which I didn't get the opportunity to take anything to, and now I've been off the charts. And it looks like we're disrespecting this 4-hour imbalance, and yeah, it looks like I don't even know. I mean, just look at the 4-hour chart right here. We haven't gone anywhere in the past few days. This is pretty ugly stuff, so I want to start to see some displacement down, honestly. Like I said in my weekly outlook video, I'd love to see this market maker sell model start to play out still. It could still start to play out here, so I'll just have to see what happens. Actually, the market just closed. New York's session just closed, so I'll have to see what happens overnight and pre-market leading into tomorrow. But because we didn't hold these imbalances here, I would love to be bearish, if we're being completely honest. What does NQ look like here? Yeah, I would love to be bearish. This could be our internal model here. So probably bearish tomorrow. Once again, still gonna have to wait and see how the market looks after overnight and pre-market. So that's a market recap for today. No trades for me. Let me know if y'all guys took a trade or not. If y'all were able to catch those original longs, and then now it looks like it was the only move of the day, because after those original longs, we just kind of chopped around. So that's what I saw today. Putting out this video, I was bored, so I was like, I might as well make it anyways. So yeah, looking up and open up the free Discord sometime this week. I might open it up right now and put it in the. I won't put it. I won't have it open when this video comes out, but potentially tomorrow it'll be open. So we can get a nice little trading community going. And so yeah, man. That's the market recap. We'll see what happens leading into tomorrow. I appreciate y'all watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.